Happy Thursday afternoon, everybody. So yesterday I sent an email from DirectLink announcing my new position, talking a little bit about my new role and responsibilities at DirectLink, and also talking a little bit about the platform and the value that it provides businesses of all sizes, really, who want to grow, who want to keep in touch with their current client base, their current contacts, and who also want to gain more awareness out in the marketplace through the various modules and tools that we offer through the DirectLink platform. But since we're talking about email, and since I sent an email out yesterday, I just wanted to explore some of the features of the email module that we have in DirectLink. And again, if you got that email yesterday and unsubscribed, it was not spam, so shame on you. No, I'm just joking. So this is DirectLink. This is the login page. So I already have my username and password in there. I'll save my password for this site. I think I'll be back. If there's any slowness, it's because I'm at home. It's probably my own internet connection. I won't disclose who I have as a provider. But here's the landing page, and you can just see some basic information right here, but we'll make this quick, so we'll plenty of time to get into all of this later. But again, we're talking about email marketing specifically, so we'll take a look at the email marketing module and view the results that were generated, or the information that was generated from the email that I sent out yesterday. Click on email marketing. You can see some statistics over here. All-time performance, 48% open rate, 5% click rate. We're doing way better than the industry average. It's 2%. We have some unsubscribes, but that's okay. We get it. And then again, 40% open rate. Industry average is 21%. So we'll go up in here and look at the email I sent yesterday. So this is Ryan's introduction email. So we can come up here, go to email campaigns, click on that. You see mine right here, Ryan's introduction email, sent to 505 contacts. Hopefully you got it. If you didn't and you're interested in seeing that email, let me know and I'll shoot it right out to you. So we click on that, and then right up here, easy to view, easy to look at, easy to understand. I use Salesforce at my previous role, and just logging into Salesforce hurt my eyes and it hurt my brain. This is so clean, it's easy to use, it's an intuitive user interface that again is just very easy to navigate. So you can see 505 recipients, 85% delivered, 16% bounce back, 79, open rate was 30%, 150, industry standard is 21%. Click rate 5%. So you could even look in here and click on clicked, and you could see who clicked on it. We'll go quick so you don't see those names. Open rate, click in here, you can see who opened it, and you can scroll through the pages as well. See more people, see more people, see more people. Thank you for everybody who opened it, and to everybody who responded to me and wished me well. Bounce rate, you can see who bounced. Deliver, you can see everybody. I'll move this over here so you can see it a little bit better. You can see everybody it was delivered to. Go right to the back of the line right here. There you go. So this is the basic reporting, and the reporting can even get more granular than that depending on what data you want to see. But right now we'll go into the quick, easy to use email, drag and drop email editor. This is how you compose your emails. So right up here, email campaigns, email campaign name. I don't know. We'll make this real quick. Ryan's email. Email subject, Ryan's email. We're getting real creative today, as you can see. Sender name, it's me. Whoops. Apply to email. Category, some random stuff, free trials, market campaign, client feedback. Save and next. See how simple this is. Select type. There's no real template that we're looking at here. What I'm really trying to do here is just show you guys the easy to use drag and drop email editor. So if you've ever used other tools like Infusionsoft or MailChimp or Constant Contact, it's very similar to that. You could upload images. You could drag the images right over here anywhere. You could drag text boxes, dividers. Link to social media posts. You can put videos in there. Again, we'll get into way more detail as we progress, but I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of the reporting that's available through the email module within Direct Link, and then also how you can compose your emails with the easy-to-use drag and drop editor. We didn't spend too much time here, but plenty of time to go over that. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week and are wrapping it up really strong. Talk to you soon.